friends, welcome to the daily predictions. I'm going to do a very short video because I know a lot of you wait for this video, and I'm facing a little bit of issue with my jaw. The pain is little increasing because of monthly predictions and everything, so I'm making a very short video. I thought I won't, but then I thought that no, at least a short video is important. So the first card that I have says garden, and I'm only going to get like the messages, the oracle cards basically. So this is believe in your own magic, and the intention is to create magic in 18th energy. So the first card is number 15, which is 6, and 6 is an energy of victory, and this card says something lovely will grow from this garden. So definitely whatever you're doing in your mind, whatever you're creating in your thoughts, there is something beautiful, something lovely that is going to come out of it. Your efforts are going to be paying you off well, and this card basically says that either we sit around or dwell in our pain, or we learn how to grow something lovely out of it. Ready or not, it is time for the next chapter of your life. Do the thing you feel you most need to do in order to aid your healing, even if it feels selfish. Sometimes it needs to be a little selfish in order for it to work in the long run. Worry about focusing on you for now. So just focus on your energy, just believe in your energy, and something beautiful for whatever you've been doing, whatever you've done in the past, something beautiful is going to come out of it. And this is the time for a good communication, this is the time for positive communication, this is the time for a positive message or positive growth. Now the next set of cards that I got from Witch's Wisdom, they also have the same message, because we have Witch's Hat. Sorry for this, I'm somewhere else, so the light is going to be a little different. So this is basically power, and so this basically says, yeah, here you can see it. This basically says Witch's Hat, which is power, and Lord God, which is masculine. Now this is the energy of feminine and masculine. This is the energy where you actually balance your inside, feminine energy and the masculine energy. So basically you manifest in your head, you think what you want to create, and then with your using your voice, you speak what you want to create. So a mix of feminine and masculine is going to bring in big changes. And even for the garden to grow, for something to grow, it takes the feminine and the masculine energy both together to work to grow something. And that is what the energy is like, that something beautiful is going to grow, and you have the power to grow that. So you are more powerful than you think. Enforce some authority. Someone is trying to influence you. Walk away from those who do not serve your highest interest. Reclaim your self-power. Investigate your past lives to heal fears of persecution. So you have to let go of any fear that you have. You have to not worry about things that are happening in your life, and at the same time, when you actually believe in yourself, and when you actually let the things work out for your best, or when you actually manifest, when you want to manifest something and you are actually working on that manifestation, that manifestation is going to work out really well for you, actually beautifully well for you. Because I do see that energy where something that is inside actually comes out to be something that is outside you. So because the Lord or the God card is the card of masculine, and it is the card which talks about something that is powerfully in your head, that is inside you, that you're creating inside you. It becomes the real you. This card says your emotions have been influenced you. Logic needs to be used at this time. Do not accept the first offer that's presented. Draw strength from your past experiences. This situation calls you to be rational and be highly competitive at this point in time. So I do feel that it is, again, the energy is where whatever you want to manifest, whatever you want to create, you think in your head and then you give it a voice, and you're going to see that happening. Now the next set of card that I got is from the Gypsy Oracle. First card is Widower. It is the card of loss. Okay, it is like losing somebody in your life, and this is again the better half, right? So the half energy of yours, which is the feminine and the masculine energy. Now the second card is consolation, which means that whatever you've lost, something is going to come to you to actually give a consolation for whatever you've lost, to make you comfortable with that, make something good for you. That's the energy. And then with that consolation, and you are probably waiting for that to happen. You're probably waiting to set up your journey, start your journey, and there is some kind of gain and loss that you have in your mind and that you are waiting for to happen. And if you see these two pictures, you can see a ship here, you can see a ship here, and it looks like it's almost the same ship. So whatever you've been waiting for, you're going to get some gain out of it, because merchants work for kind of gain, and merchants work for loss and profit kind of a thing. And this looks like somebody who's in profit, or who's into good energy, and who's actually waiting with so much of stuff for this ship to come in, basically. And I do feel there is a possibility that you might something that you've been waiting for, something you've been waiting for to happen, something that you've lost in the past, there might be something good coming out of it, there might be some good energy coming out of it, there might be a new journey that you set up. But the energies are that whatever has been there in the waiting energy, or whatever that there has been in the loss energy, there is a gain that is coming out of it. So again, I do feel that gain coming your way. I do feel that masculine and feminine energy balance coming your way. What you are thinking about is what you're bringing about in your life. The next card that I have is Knight of Swords. Now this is again the card of force, message, communication, something that is that is coming towards you very, very fast. So it feels like there is a change that is moving very, very fast towards us, or towards you, and that change is going to be something that you've been thinking about, that you've been wanting for, that the seeds you planted in the past, something that has been there on your mind, and then finally that kind of becomes your reality. I always take out one additional card for you guys, and I don't have any message deck for now, so I'm going to take out one additional card from which is okay, let me see. 18 December 2021, Guides Angels, can we get just one message? Thank you. So here, Knight of Pentacles. So again, the energy is almost the same. There's a Knight of Knight of Swords, which is 3, Knight of Pentacles, which is 3, and this is 6. So this becomes again the energy of 6. The energy of 6 and victory is very strong. And this is also somebody who's actually keeping her heart balanced and strong, and coming with flowers or a message. So definitely a message or a communication is coming your way, and it will be upon you as to how you take that communication and what you make out of that communication. So whatever comes your way, make the best out of it, and have a good day. And if you can, please like the video, share it with everyone else, and I will see you in the evening. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.